Welcome back to Fit and Fast, guys, the healthy hub to fuel your brain. And this is where we bring out Mr. Buster to bust some RSPS, random stuff people say. Taking breaks are just distractions which keep you from being alert. No, not true at all. Taking refreshing breaks between tasks is very important as it will help you recharge yourself and improve productivity. Anyway, I'm just back from a refreshing break and I'm going on with my next recipe which is worth every single bite. I'm doing a very interesting, very simple, very classic salmon niçoise. Niçoise salad originated in France. We're gonna use salmon because I came across a brilliant looking, amazingly tasty piece of this beautiful superfood today, salmon. First up, going with olive oil. Now going with onions. We're gonna go in with beans. Beans are a very, very healthy vegetable, super juicy. Cook them right, take the tail off, take the head off, blanch them for like 2 to 3 minutes and that's it. A little seasoning and we are done with the beans. The beans are ready, just a touch salt, pepper. So guys, the beans are done. I am very carefully gonna put them on one side. Now I'm gonna crack on with my roast potatoes. So you're just gonna take the regular roast potatoes, gonna go in the pan and crush. So when you crush the potatoes for a salad, it takes the dressing very well. So I'll go in with a little olive oil, salt, pepper, squeeze of lemon. I'm just gonna go in with a spoonful of cream cheese. Give it a good mix. Now, the best part. I'm gonna cook this beautiful piece of salmon I've been waiting for so long. Guys, just look at this beautiful piece. I really cannot get over how good the marbling is, the perfect fat, perfect meat. It's so flaky. Once it starts to cook, it just breaks apart. It's so nice. Little warm pan. I'm gonna go in with olive oil. I'm just gonna season the fish now. We're gonna go in skin side down. That is the sound we are looking for. So if you look closely, it turns from orange to little pale. You want to cook salmon 70% on one side. Then we're going to turn it around, foam it in butter, and we are done. That's it. So I'm just going to let it sit here. It gets a nice crust. You got to stay alert while cooking your fish. While this is happening, I'm going to crack on with my tapena. I've got some fresh green apples. Green apples have got a nice acidity, so I like to use them instead. Thin slices. And I've got some beautiful, amazing, super salty, very briny. These are Kalamata olives. They are so tasty. Just gonna chop that. Look at the amount of meat this olive has. Look at that. So juicy, so briny. Slice them very carefully. I've got some fresh walnuts that chopped. Just gonna put them in the tray. Here I have fennel seeds. If you see, the salmon's just getting a nice crust at the bottom and starting to cook. It's starting to turn brown, then you get a pale, and then you get a salmon color. That's the sort of look we're looking for. If you stay alert, it can be very, very easily done. Look at that color. It's so nice and crispy. Gonna go back in with a knob of butter. And let the butter foam very, 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 very gently. Now, as the saying goes, lemon on, gas off. And the last final touch of fresh olive oil. Watch the recap and come back.
Take a pan, add olive oil, chopped onions, French beans and toss well. Add salt and black pepper and keep it aside in a serving dish. Take the same pan, add roasted baby potatoes and crush them. Add olive oil and salt and black pepper and toss it again. Squeeze half lemon juice, cream cheese and mix well. Place it along with the French beans. Now add olive oil in the same pan. Season the salmon fillet with salt and black pepper. Put the salmon fillet in a pan and let it cook. To make tapenade, take a green apple, finely chop it. Take Kalamata olives and thinly slice them. Add finely chopped walnuts, fennel seeds and mix them all. Now add some butter in the pan and mix. Squeeze half lemon juice on top and place the salmon fillet on the serving dish. Serve with tapenade dressing, drizzle some olive oil and your salmon niswa is ready.
Guys, you're looking so alert. Still want a break? Chalo, let's do a quick break, huh? Come back to Fit and Fast.